Welcome back to Techie Trickle, the ultimate hub for tech enthusiasts. Today we are exploring the top 5 affordable 3D printers under $500. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned maker, we have got something for everyone. So buckle up and let's dive right in. Kicking off our list is the Creality Ender 3 V2, a fan favorite known for its silent operation, easy assembly and high quality prints. The upgraded user interface with a 4.3-inch color screen makes this printer even more user-friendly. Its only downside is the manual bed leveling, but that can be upgraded with an auto bed leveling system. Stick around to find out how the other 3D printers compare. Next up is the Flashforge Dreamer, a versatile printer with dual extruders for multicolor and multi-material prints. It also boasts an enclosed build chamber for temperature sensitive materials and a user-friendly touchscreen interface. However, it's priced close to around $500, but again the price might change based on when you are actually watching this video and when you are planning to buy this particular product. And its build volume is smaller than the Ender series. Curious to see how it stacks up against the competition? Then keep watching till you find out. Introducing the Creality Ender 3 Max, a large format printer with a whopping 300 x 300 x 340 mm build volume. If you're looking for something bigger without breaking the bank, this could be the perfect match. It also features a silent motherboard and easy assembly. The only con is the manual bed leveling, which again can be upgraded. But don't make your decision yet because we have something more exciting coming up. For those who crave speed and precision, the ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro is the game changer. This MSLA resin printer delivers lightning fast prints with incredible details. However, the resin printer can be more expensive and requires careful handling, and the build volume is smaller than the Ender series, so just make sure of this. Last but not the least is the LONGER LK5, a large format 3D printer with a build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm. Now this easy to assembly printer is perfect for those who want size without sacrificing affordability. The downside is again the manual bed leveling and the less established brand, which may affect community support. So which printer actually do you think is right for you? But remember, it's all about finding the one that best suits your needs and budget. So which one that will be? Let me know in the comments down below, and also please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So till the next time, bye bye.